Just imagine a world where banks don't control your money, where you don't need to wait for approvals to send funds, and where you can earn interest rates that are 10 or even 20 times higher than what traditional banks offer. That world is here, and it's called decentralized finance. Decentralized finance has been one of the biggest game changers in the world of cryptocurrency and the blockchain. It's not just another buzzword, it's a revolution that could completely reshape the global financial system. Whether you are an investor, trader, or someone curious about crypto, understanding decentralized finance is a key to staying ahead in this fast-moving world. But before we dive in, let me remind you, if you want to get free entry points into the best crypto project, detailed coin analysis, updates on macro news, and proven strategies for futures trading and long-term investments, subscribe to my channel. I broke down complex topics like this into actionable insights that can help you make better decisions in the crypto market. Don't miss out. So, what exactly is decentralized finance? To put it simply, decentralized finance is a new financial system built on blockchain technology, the same technology that powers BTC and Ethereum. Unlike traditional finance, decentralized finance eliminates middlemen like banks, brokers, and payment systems. Instead, transactions happen peer-to-peer using smart contracts, pieces of code that automatically execute when specific conditions are met. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you want to take a loan from a bank. You go through a long process, paperwork, credit checks, and approval times. Plus, the bank charges fees and interest rates that often seem unfair. With the decentralized finance, you can get a loan instantly, without any paperwork or middleman. How? By providing crypto assets as collateral through decentralized finance lending platform like Aave or Compound. For instance, you deposit $1,000 worth of Ethereum into a decentralized finance lending protocol. In return, you can instantly borrow $500 worth of stablecoins like USDC. Once you repay the loan, you get your Ethereum back. The system is transparent, anyone can see the rules coded in the smart contracts, and it's trustless, meaning you don't have to rely on annual promises. The code does the work for you. Platforms like Aave let you earn interest on your crypto by lending it out. Instead of getting 0.1% from your bank savings account, you could earn anywhere from 5% to 15% APY. Ever traded crypto on Binance or Coinbase? Well, decentralized finance has its own exchanges, but they don't require an account or approval. On Uniswap, for example, you can swap tokens directly from your crypto wallet, no middleman involved. Think of this like earning crypto rewards for putting your assets to work. Users provide liquidity to decentralized finance platform and earn high returns in exchange. It's like the case of staking we observed in this video. Recommend you for watching. Here I showed how I made almost $900 with absolute zero risk. Stablecoins like USDT, USDC or DAI are the backbone of decentralized finance. They maintain a one-to-one value with the US dollar, allowing people to trade and save without worrying about market volatility. In decentralized finance, you control your assets. There is no bank that can freeze your funds or dictate terms. All you need is a crypto wallet and internet access. Traditional banks offer laughable interest rates on savings. Decentralized platforms, on the other hand, offer double-digit returns on lending, staking, and yield farming. Billions of people around the world don't have access to banks, but they can access decentralized finance. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, they can send, borrow or save money, no bank account required. Decentralized finance runs on blockchain technology, meaning every transaction is public and verifiable. There is no hidden manipulation behind the scenes. However, it's important to note that decentralized finance is still in its early stage. While the opportunities are exciting, there are also risks like smart contracts bugs and market volatility. That's why doing your own research and understanding the basics is critical. If you are serious about exploring decentralized finance and want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to my channel. I share detailed market analysis, entry points into the best decentralized finance projects, and step-by-step guidelines to help you navigate this space. Whether you are a beginner or advanced user, you will find something valuable here. So, what to conclude? Decentralized finance is a groundbreaking innovation that puts financial power back in your hands. It's transparent, accessible, and has the potential to disrupt the traditional financial system as we know it. For beginners, the world of decentralized finance might seem overwhelming, but the opportunities are endless. Whether it's earning passive income through lending, trading on decentralized exchanges, or simply exploring new financial tools, decentralized finance opens doors that were never accessible before. Remember, the future of finance is decentralized. If you want to be a part of it, now is the time to learn, explore, and take some action. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.